Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise adjustment required on admission of a partner. The adjustment required on admission of a partner are: number one, change in profit sharing ratio; number two, valuation and adjustment of goodwill; number three, adjustment of profit or loss from revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities; number four, adjustment of deferred revenue expenditure; number five, adjustment of reserve, accumulated profit and losses; number six, adjustment of capital on the basis of new profit sharing ratio. So we are going to discuss number one adjustment, change in profit sharing ratio. In that you need to calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. So we are going to calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. See page number 5.6 beta, 5.86 and question number first. 5.86 page and question number first. X, Y and Z are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. They admit A into partnership and give him 1/5 share of profits. Find the new profit sharing ratio. In this beta, in this question, new partner is A. A share is 1/5. So we'll assume total share 1. Okay. So old ratio of X, Y and Z is equal to 5:3:2. A new partner A share is equal to 1/5. Let total share be 1. Remaining share is equal to 1 minus 1/5 is equal to 4/5. The remaining share is 4/5. So X new share is equal to 4/5 into 5/10 is equal to 20/50. Y's new share is equal to 4/5 into 3/10 is equal to 12/50. Z's new share is equal to 4/5 into 2/10 is equal to 8/50. So new profit sharing ratio of X, Y, Z and A is equal to 20/50, 12/50, 8/50 is to 1/5. So if you take LCM, that is 50, and if you solve it, you will get 20:12:8:10. If you reduce it, after reducing, you will get 10:6:4:5. I hope it's clear to you, beta. Any doubt? See question number 2. Ravi and Mukesh are sharing profits in the ratio of 7:3. They admit Ashok for 3/7 share in the firm, which he takes 2/7 from Ravi and 1/7 from Mukesh. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. What's the difference between these two, beta? See first and second question. In first question, only new partner share was given. Na? Here that share is explained also. See, they admit Ashok for 3/7 share, which he takes 3/7 from 3/7 he takes 2/7 from Ravi and 1/7 from Mukesh. Okay, from is there. From means minus. Okay, from means minus. See how we'll calculate. In this question, old ratio of Ravi and Mukesh is equal to 7:3. Ashok share 3/7, which he takes 2/7 from Ravi and 1/7 from Mukesh. Okay. See, new ratio is equal to old minus sacrifice. New share is equal to, or we can say new share is equal to old share minus sacrifice share. Okay. So Ravi's new share is equal to old minus sacrifice. His old share is 7/10. And he is getting from Ravi 2/7. Okay. So Ravi's sacrifice 7/10 minus 2/7. 49 minus 20 is equal to 29/70. Mukesh new share 3/7 minus 1/7. Okay, Mukesh is giving 1/7 to new partner. So his new share is equal to 11/70. So new profit sharing ratio of Ravi, Mukesh and Ashok is equal to 29:11:30. Okay, any doubt? Now see next question. Question number 5th. Bharti and Astha were partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. They admitted Dinkar as a partner for 1/5 share in the future profit, which he got equally from Bharti and Astha. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of Bharti, Astha and Dinkar. See beta, this question has come in 2016 compartment. Okay, 3 marks question. So, old ratio of Bharti and Astha is equal to 3:2. Dinkar share is equal to 1/5. See beta, Dinkar share is equal to 1/5, which he takes equally. Okay. So Bharti sacrifice is equal to 1/5 into half. Okay, is equal to 1/10. Astha sacrifice is equal to 1/5 into half is equal to 1/10. So Bharti's new share is equal to 3/5 minus 1/10. If you take LCM, that is 10. If you solve it, you will get 5/10. Astha's new share is equal to old minus sacrifice. Astha's old share 2/5 minus sacrifice is equal to sacrifice 1/10. If you solve it, you will get 10 LCM and answer is 3/10. So new profit sharing ratio of Bharti, Astha and Dinkar is equal to 5/10 is to 3/10 is to 1/5. If you take LCM, that is 10. New ratio is equal to 5, 3, 2. 5 is to 3 is to 2. Okay. Any doubt, beta? So you have to multiply new partner share in equal ratio. Okay. So Bharti's sacrifice is equal to 1/5 into half is equal to 1/10. Astha's sacrifice is equal to 1/5 into half is equal to 1/10. So Bharti's new share formula is old minus sacrifice now. So 3/5 minus 1/10 is equal to 5/10. And Astha's new share is equal to old share minus sacrifice. 2/5 minus 1/10. Okay, is equal to 3/10. So new profit sharing ratio Bharti, Astha and Dinkar is equal to 5/10. 3/10 is to 1/5. If you take LCM, that is 10. If you solve it, you will get 5 is to 3 is to 2. Okay. Now see question number 6 beta. X and Y are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. Z is admitted as a partner with 1/4 share in profit. Z takes his share from X and Y in the ratio 2:1. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. In this question, Z is new partner, his share is 1/4. Okay, beta. Old ratio of X and Y is equal to 3:2. X sacrifice is equal to 1/4 into 2/3. Okay, because new partner Z is taking his share from X and Y in the ratio 2:1. So you need to calculate X sacrifice. X sacrifice is equal to 1/4 into 2/3 is equal to 2/12. Y sacrifice is equal to 1/4 into 1/3 is equal to 1/12. So X new share is equal to old minus sacrifice. His old share is 3/5 minus sacrifice 2/12. 3/5 minus 2/12 is equal to 36 minus 10. 26 upon 60 you will get. Okay. Y's new share is equal to old minus sacrifice. Y's old share 2/5 minus his sacrifice is 1/12. So if you subtract it, you will get 19 upon 60. So new profit sharing ratio is equal to 26 upon 60 is to 19 upon 60 is to 1/4. If you take LCM, that is 60. If you solve it, you will get 26 is to 19 is to 15. I hope it's clear, beta. So now you see next question. Question number 10. You need to calculate sacrificing ratio. Here old ratio is given, new ratio is also given. You need to calculate sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay. So old ratio of Rakesh and Suresh are 4:3. Zahir is new partner. New ratio of partners is 7:4:3. So Rakesh sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Rakesh old share is 4/7 minus new ratio is 7/14. If you solve it, you will get LCM 14, and if you solve it, 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. 1/14 you will get. Suresh sacrificing ratio is equal to old minus new share. Old ratio is 3/7 minus new is 4/14. If you take LCM, that is 14. If you solve it, you will get 2/14. So sacrificing ratio is equal to 1/14 is to 2/14 is equal to 1:2. I'm repeating, beta. Old ratio of Rakesh and Suresh is equal to 4:3. New ratio of Rakesh, Suresh and Zahir is equal to 7:4:3. Rakesh sacrificing ratio, that is old minus new. 4/7 minus 7/14. Okay. If you solve it, you will get 1/14. Suresh sacrificing ratio, that is old minus new. 3/7 minus 4/14 is equal to 2/14. So his sacrificing ratio is equal to 2/14. So sacrifice ratio of Rakesh and Suresh is equal to 1:2. They are sacrificing in favor of new partner. Okay, in the ratio 1:2. Any doubt? Now question number 13. Old ratio of A, B, C, D are in partnership, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 36:24:20:20 respectively. E joins the partnership for 20% share, and A, B, C, D in future would share profit among themselves as 3/10, 4/10, 2/10, 1/10. Okay, you need to calculate new profit sharing ratio after ease admission. After ease admission, beta. So here future ratio is given, old ratio is also given. Old ratio of A, B, C, D is equal to 36:24:20:20. Okay. Future ratio is equal to 3/10, 4/10, 2/10, 1/10. Each share is equal to 20%. 20% means 20/100. Okay. So each share is equal to 1/5. Clear? Let total share firm be 1. Remaining share is equal to 1 minus 1/5 is equal to 4/5. So you will multiply by 4/5. Okay. A's new share is equal to 4/5 into 3/10 is equal to 12/50. B's new share is equal to 4/5 into 4/10 is equal to 16/50. C's new share is equal to 4/5 into 2/10 is equal to 8/50. D's new share is equal to 4/5 into 1/10 is equal to 4/50. So new profit sharing ratio of A, B, C, D is equal to 12/50, 16/50, 8/50, 4/50 is equal to 1/5. If you take LCM, that is 50. If you solve it, you will get 12:8, 16:8:4:10. If you reduce it, you will get 6:8:4:2:5. So I'm repeating, beta. Old ratio of A, B, C, D is equal to 36:24:20:20. Future ratio is equal to 3/10, 4/10, 2/10, and 1/10. Each share is equal to 20%. Can we write 20/100 is equal to 1/5? So each share is equal to 1/5. Let total share of firm be 1. Remaining share is equal to 1 minus 1/5 is equal to 4/5. So A's new share 4/5 into 3/10 is equal to 12 upon 50. B's new share is equal to 4/5 into 4 by 10 is equal to 16 upon 50. C's new share 4/5 into 2 by 10 is equal to 8 by 50. D's new share is equal to 4/5 into 1 by 10, that is 4 upon 50. The new profit sharing ratio of ABCD is equal to 12 upon 50, 16 upon 50, 8 upon 50, 4 upon 50 is to 1/5. Okay. Now you take LCM, that is 50 is divided by 50. You will get 12 is to 16 is to 8 is to 4 is to 10. If you reduce it, you will get 6 is to 8 is to 4 is to 2 is to 5. Okay, beta. Now see next question. Okay, see question number 14. Very, very important question, beta. X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. They admit Z into partnership. X gives 1/3 of his share. Underline the word of. Of means multiply. Okay. And Y gives 1/10 from his share to Z. From means minus. Of means multiply. From means minus. Okay. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. See beta, how we'll solve. Old ratio of X and Y is equal to 3:2. X gives or X surrenders or sacrifices. These words are same. Okay. X gives or sacrifices or surrenders. 1/3 of his share. Of means multiply. So 1/3 multiply by his share, 3 by 5. Okay. Is equal to 1/5. Y gives or surrenders or sacrifices is equal to 1/10. It is already given. Okay. So Y is new share. It is given in the question, beta. Y gives 1/10 from his share. From means minus. So you will subtract 1/10 from his share. So Y new share is equal to 2/5 minus 1 by 10. Okay. Is equal to 3 by 10. Now X new share is equal to old minus sacrifice. Now X old share was 3/5 minus sacrifice 1/5 is equal to 2/5. Okay. Now Z's new share. You will add X sacrifice plus Y sacrifice. Okay. So Z's new share is equal to X sacrifice plus Y sacrifice. X sacrifice is 1/5 plus Y sacrifice is 1/10. You will take LCM, that is 10. If you solve it, you will get 3 by 10. The new profit sharing ratio of X, Y, Z is equal to 2/5, 3 by 10, 3 by 10. If you take LCM and solve it and get, you will get 4:3:3. Okay. Now see, again I am repeating. Old ratio of X and Y is equal to 3:2. X gives or sacrifices 1/3 of his share. So 1/3 multiplied by 3/5 is equal to 1/5. Y gives or sacrifices is equal to 1/10. Okay. From his share. So Y is new share. From means minus. His old share is 2 by 10, 2/5 minus sacrifice 1 by 10. If you solve it, you will get 3 by 10. X new share is equal to old minus sacrifice. His old share is 3/5 minus sacrifice 1/5. 3/5 minus 1/5 is equal to 2/5. So Z's new share is equal to X sacrifice plus Y sacrifice. 1/5 plus 1/10 is equal to 3/10. So new profit sharing ratio of X, Y and Z is equal to 2/5 is to 3 by 10 is to 3/10 is equal to 4:3:3. Okay. I hope it's clear, beta. Question number 15. P and Q are partners. We are going to solve question number 15 first. A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio 2:1. D is admitted as a new partner for 1/6 share. C will retain his original share. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Very, very important question, beta. Underline the question. C will retain his original share. It's very important. So old ratio of A, B and C is equal to 2:2:1. D share is equal to 1/6 and C will retain his original share. C will retain. So C share is equal to 1/5. There is no change in C share. Okay. So let the total share of the firm is equal to 1. Remaining share is equal to 1 minus C plus D share. 1/6 plus 1/5. Okay. So 1 minus 11 upon 30. If you solve it, you will get 19 upon 30. Now A's new share is equal to 19 upon 30 remaining share into 2/4. Okay. 2/4 is equal to 38 upon 120. B's new share is equal to remaining share 19 upon 30 into 2/4 is equal to 38 upon 120. So new profit sharing ratio of A, B, C, D is equal to 38 upon 120 is to 38 upon 120 is to 1/5 is to 1/6. C share and D share. If you take LCM, that is 120 is divided by 120, you will get 38. 38 is to 24 is to 20. Okay. So if you reduce it, you will get 19 is to 19 is to 12 is to 10. I hope it's clear, beta. Now see next. Now, second adjustment we are going to do, that is treatment of goodwill, beta. In treatment of goodwill, first case is when new partner brings goodwill privately, then there will be no entry. Okay. If any new partner brings or pays goodwill privately, in that case, no entry will be done in the books of account. That will be treated as black money. Okay. So there will be no entry. Now, second case, when new partner brings or pays goodwill in cash, an amount of goodwill is retained in the business. Then, first entry, cash account debited to new partner's capital account to premium for goodwill account. And second entry, premium for goodwill account debited to old partners in sacrificing ratio. I am repeating, beta. If any new partner brings or pays goodwill in cash, then first entry, cash account debited to C's capital account to premium for goodwill. Second entry, premium for goodwill account debited to old partners in sacrificing ratio. Okay. You can understand with the help of question number 17 in your book. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:5. They admit C on the condition that he will bring rupees 14,000 as his share of goodwill to be distributed between A and B. C share in the future profit or losses will be 1/4. Underline the amount of goodwill, beta, 14,000 and his share 1/4. What will be the new profit sharing ratio and what amount of goodwill brought in by C will be received by A and B. So you need to calculate new profit sharing ratio and amount of goodwill will be received by A and B. Okay. And you have to pass journal entries also. So first entry, cash account debited to new partner's capital to premium for goodwill. If new partner is not bringing any amount of capital, you can put dash or no need to write to C's capital account. You can write directly cash account debited to premium for goodwill account. He is bringing 14,000. Okay. Second entry, premium for goodwill account debited to old partner's capital account. So premium for goodwill account debited 14,000 to A's capital account to B's capital account in sacrificing ratio. Okay. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio, but in the absence of new ratio, old ratio is sacrificing ratio. Here new ratio is not given, so old ratio is sacrificing ratio. So 2:5 is sacrificing ratio. Okay. 2:5 is sacrificing ratio. So in sacrificing ratio, 14,000 will be distributed by all partners. So premium for goodwill account debited 14,000, to A's capital account 4,000, to B's capital account 10,000. 14,000 will be divided in sacrificing ratio, that is 2:5. He is asking for new profit sharing ratio. So we need to calculate in working note calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Here old ratio is equal to 2:5. C share is 1/4. Let total share be 1. Remaining share is equal to 1 minus 1/4 is equal to 3/4. A's new share, or you can say A's new share is equal to 3/4 into 2/7. Okay, is equal to 6/28. B's new share is equal to 3/4 into 5/7 is equal to 15/28. So new ratio of A, B, C is equal to 6/28. 15/28 is to 1/4. 28 is LCM. 6 is to 15 is to 7. Okay, beta. I'm repeating this question. Here new partner is bringing amount of goodwill rupees 14,000. So first entry, cash account debited to C's capital account to premium for goodwill account. Cash account debited 14,000 to premium for goodwill 14,000. Second entry, premium for goodwill account debited 14,000 to A's capital account to B's capital account. It will be divided in sacrificing ratio, that is 2:5. Okay. So if you divide it in sacrifice ratio, that is 2:5, A will get 4,000 and B will get 10,000. Okay. So premium for goodwill account debited 14,000 to A's capital account 4,000 to B's capital account 10,000. He's asking for new profit sharing ratio. So in working note, we will calculate calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Old ratio is equal to 2:5. New partner share is 1/4. Let total share be 1. Remaining share is equal to 1 minus 1/4 is equal to 3/4. So A's new share 3/4 into 2/7 is equal to 6/28. B's new share 3/4 into 5/7 is equal to 15/28. So new profit sharing ratio of ABC is equal to 6/28 is to 15/28 is to 1/4 is equal to 6 is to 15 is to 7. Clear, beta? Now we'll do next question. See question number 18, beta. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. A new partner C is admitted. Underline the old ratio in the book 3:2. A gives 1/5 of his share. Underline the word of. Of means multiply. And B gives 2/5 of his share in favor of C. Underline the word of. Of means multiply. For the purpose of C's admission, goodwill of the firm is valued at 75,000. Here, goodwill of the firm is given. C brings his share of goodwill in cash, which he retained in the business. You need to calculate C's share. Okay. So first of all, you see working note. Old ratio is equal to 3:2. A gives or sacrifices is equal to 1/5. Of means multiply, na? Multiply by 3/5. Okay. His old share. So 1/5 into 3/5 is equal to 3/28. 3/25. B gives or sacrifice is equal to 2/5 into his share 2/5. Okay. Is equal to 4/25. So sacrificing ratio you can calculate from here. That is 3:4. Okay. Now C's new share. New share is equal to A sacrifice plus B sacrifice. That is 3/25 plus 4/25 is equal to 7/25. Okay. Now C's new share is equal to 7/25. Goodwill of the firm is given rupees 75,000. C share of goodwill 75,000 into 7/25 is equal to 21,000. Now you will calculate new share. A's new share is equal to old minus sacrifice. His old share is 3/5 minus sacrifice is equal to 3/5. 3/25. 3/5 minus 3/25 is equal to 12 upon 25. B's new share is equal to old minus sacrifice. His old share is 2/5. Sacrifice 4 by 25 is equal to 6 by 25. So new ratio of A, B, C is equal to 12 by 25 is to 6 by 25 is to 7 by 25 is equal to 12 is to 6 is to 7. So you see, now you see general entry. Cash account debited to premium for goodwill account 21,000. Premium for goodwill account debited 21,000 to A's capital account to B's capital account. 21,000 will be divided in sacrificing ratio, that is 3:4. A will get 9,000, B will get 12,000. I hope it's clear, beta. Thank you. $25.